Now you have to choose how on the front or not you want the gear lever. To do this you have to move this rod end on the shift cable. Unscrewing the lever goes on the front and screwing the lever moves on the rear. You have to choose your own way, where you feel better. Once you have do this, you can lock the Torx bolt here. You can add the M6 nut here, 10mm key, okay, well done. Also, as done on the rod end on the cross cable, you have to lock this one, 11mm, 10mm. Mine is already closed. Now all you have to do is to add the last 3 little screws here. Okay, let's start from the more complex here. Okay, this on the rear is not necessary to close so much. Okay, so close this on the front. Either more this one. Okay, and now we have finished, so the shifter is okay. We can try it. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay. Seems good. and reverse. Okay, well done, and thank you to everyone.